Hey there! Ever been frustrated by that pesky fail to extract resources needed by IL2CPP error popping up when you try to launch Mobile Legends on your iPhone? No worries, I've got your back with some simple fixes to get you back into the game in no time. Let's jump right in and tackle those issues together. Solution 1. Allow Mobile Legends to connect to your local network. First up, head over to Settings. Now, scroll through until you find the list of apps, locate Mobile Legends, and give it a tap to open the permission menu. Then, simply toggle on Local Network. After that, just exit out of the settings. Now, let's see if that did the trick for you. Solution 2. Offload Mobile Legends. Start by opening up Settings. Scroll down until you spot General and tap on it. Next up, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, keep scrolling until you find Mobile Legends, then give it a tap. Hit the Offload app button. Tap on Offload app and it will be offloaded. Simply tap on Reinstall app and it will start reinstalling. Once done, check if you can open Mobile Legends smoothly. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll down and locate General, then give it a tap. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Lastly, tap on Reset All Settings. After that, your settings will be reset. You should now be able to open up and play Mobile Legends without encountering that error. So, there you have it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're still having trouble, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!